Now let's complete exercise 2B of module 3. Here's a reminder of the exercise. As you can see for yourself, it's going to require another script from the cookbook. So here I am logged into the developer.genealogics.com site, and the cookbook recipe I want is this one, updating user-defined information for a sample. So if you just want to go straight to the script, it'll be at the bottom of the page, but I advise you to go through this page slowly and digest and understand the information. Let's save the script, and as with exercise 2A, you will need the utilities library or class in the same folder. So the GLS REST API utilities. So we'll need to edit this script, but before we do that, let's get our limbs set up correctly. So in the previous exercise, we'd changed the name of the sample. If we go in and modify the sample, and in particular, let's go to its details, and as you'll see when you look in the script, the field that we're going to be updating is the priority field. So it's not listed here, which is a great example in the sense that it shows me, or gives me the opportunity to show you how to add that field. So let me cancel out of this. Configuration, details, fields, for sample, and we'll add one. It says priority. Now if we go and modify the sample, under the details right at the bottom, you should see that field. There it is, priority, and let's give it a value. Say done. And as we did in the previous exercise, let's take that sample and copy its LIMS ID to the clipboard. And now we can go and edit our script. As before, update the username and password, update the URI to point to your server, and replace the LIMS ID here with the one that's in the clipboard, and you'll see that this script is going to be taking the priority field and setting a value of critical. Let's save the script. Let's run the script. Okay, looks like it worked. Let's switch back to the LIMS and just verify that. So we'll take the sample, and we can either modify it or we can just view its details. Let's go under view and choose details, and if we scroll down to the bottom, we should see indeed that our newly added priority field, which did have a value of default, has now been updated to critical.